Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates Accounts class. Today we are going to start partnership, that is retirement of a partner, chapter 3. In the last class we have learned about the admission of a partner. Today we learn about the retirement of a partner. So what is the meaning of retirement? Retirement means when a partner retires from the business. For example, suppose A, B and C. They are partner. They are collectively called as firm. Okay. So B is a partner who is willing to retire from the business. He will retire from the business. So when B retire, that is called retirement of B. So in the case when B retire, what B will take from the business? B will take cash from the business, or B will get this cash as a loan to the firm. Loan to the firm. Now when B retire from the business, the balance sheet, the partner's capital and the revaluation account will be changed. We have to prepare a revaluation account. That is, we have to find out the revalued of assets and liabilities of the firm. Okay. So for that, today we are going to do some problem from the textbook NCERT, page number 218, question number 1. So book question 1. Before that, in admission of a partner, we have learned how to find out sacrificing ratio. Okay. So here we have to find out gaining ratio, because the remaining partner will gain the retired partner share. So what is the formula of gaining ratio? Gaining ratio formula will be new ratio minus old ratio. Sacrificing formula will be what? Old ratio minus new ratio, and here will be new ratio minus old ratio. Just the opposite of sacrificing ratio. So we'll do question number 1. NCERT book question number 1. See the question. I'll write the page number here. See the page number 218 NCERT book question number 1. Book question 1. Okay everyone. See here the question is given. Aparna, Manish and Sonia are partners. There are 3 partners. Aparna, okay, Manish and Sonia. These 3 are partner in the firm. Their ratio is 3:2:1. That means the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. How much they will earn the profit? They will divide the profit in this ratio. That is 3:1. If you add it, that is 6. After that, Manisha retires and goodwill of the firm is at 1,80,000. That is the middle partner will retire, and when Manisha retired, the goodwill of the firm is 1,80,000. Okay? So, what you are asked to do? You are asked to do journal entries. But before that, when Manisha retired, the remaining partner future share become 3:2. Okay, that is the new ratio. So we know that old ratio is given and new ratio also given. So when new ratio and old ratio both are given, we have to find out gaining ratio. Okay, so we have to find out first of all the share of Manisha. That amount will be divided among the remaining partner. Okay, who is the remaining partner here? Aparna and Sonia. So what will we do? First of all, we will do gaining ratio. We will do in graph gaining ratio. How to find out the gaining ratio? So gaining ratio formula will be new ratio minus old ratio. So we'll find out only for the existing partner. Who is the existing partner here? Aparna and Sonia. So we write here Aparna. I'll write in short Aparna A. New ratio is 3 by 5. How get 3 by 5? 3 is to 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Old ratio is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 6. So if you take the LCM, 5 6 are 30. 3 6 are 18 minus 15. That will be 3 by 30. Okay. For Sonia same. New is 2 by 5. 3 is to 2 is given. 3 is to 2. So minus Sonia will be old will be 1 by 6. Same LCM. 5 6 are 30. 2 6 are 12 minus 5. That will be 7 by 30. Therefore, gaining ratio equal to 3:7. Okay? That means what? The goodwill will be divided among the existing partner in the ratio 3:7. Now we have to find out the goodwill value of Manisha. So Manisha goodwill will be how much? See, Manisha share is 2 by 6 into 1,80,000. So if we divide 1,80,000, so how much will get here? 6 3 are 60,000. We'll get the Manisha share of goodwill is 60,000. That is the Manisha share of goodwill, and we have to divide this amount among A and S. That is Aparna and Sonia. So we'll pass the journal entries. Here we'll follow the personal rule. So we'll get the amount Aparna and Sonia will get. We'll give, Manisha will give. Okay? So we'll apply the personal rule here. Date, particulars, LF, amount in rupees, debit, credit, journal entries in the books of the firm, journal entries in the books of, I'll write in short, Aparna, Manisha and Sonia. Okay, so we'll get the amount Aparna and Sonia. So I'll write in short, Aparna will write A is capital account debit, S capital account debit. Okay, Sonia also get the amount of Manisha share as capital account debit. To Manisha capital account, that is M's capital account. How much? Manisha share of goodwill 60,000. So we'll put here 60,000 into 3:2. So 60,000 into 3:2, 10. That will be 18,000 and 42,000. If we divide 60,000 into 3 by 10 into 7 by 10. So S capital will be 18,000 and S capital will be 42,000. Okay everyone? So we are there being the Manisha share of goodwill is distributed among A and S. That is the first question. Okay? Manisha share of goodwill is distributed among A and S. This is the first question. So we'll do question number 2 now. So in the question number 2 is given Sangeeta, Saroj and Shanti are partner There are also three partners. The ratio is 2:3:5. Sangeeta is to Saroj is to Shanti. Three partners. The ratio is given what? 2:3:5. Okay, everyone. So goodwill is appearing in the books at a value of 60,000. That is the last year goodwill already appear in the liability side. Okay. So this goodwill will be taken by the old partner first. After that, Sangeeta retires. After that, the first partner retires. Okay. So when Sangeeta retires, the goodwill value is 90,000. So what you are asked to do? You are asked to record the books of account. That is, record journal entries. So before that, what we will do? We will give the entry of all goodwill. Okay. After that, we will give the entry of goodwill, new goodwill after Sangeeta retire. So what we will do? Question number 2. These are journal entries. Date, particulars, LF, amount in rupees, debit, credit. Okay, so write a journal entries. Journal entries. So we'll get the old goodwill, the three partner. So how we'll give the entry? We'll give the entry Sangeeta capital account debit. Sangeeta we had an SAN. Sangeeta capital account debit. Capital account debit. After Sangeeta, Saroj capital account debit. Saroj capital account debit. After the Shanti, three partners. Shanti capital account debit to goodwill account. Okay, everyone. So how much the old goodwill? The old goodwill is given 60,000. This 60,000 divided by 10 multiplied by 2. So that will be the 12,000, 18,000. See, 2 by 10 into 60,000. So if you cut it, 6 to the 12,000. That is the first partner will give it, will get 12,000. 3 by 10 into 60,000. Second partner will be 18,000. And third partner will be 30,000. So 12 plus 18, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. That is the old goodwill. Okay. So right there being the goodwill appearing in the books is distributed among the partner. That is the old partner. Why? Because this is the old goodwill. Now, after that, Sangeeta retires. So when Sangeeta retires, the remaining partner decided to share the future profit equally. What is the meaning of that? We know that whenever a new partner join or any partner retire the business, we have to reconstitute the firm. That is, we have to make a new deed. That means what? After Sangeeta retire, these two partners will decided to share the profit equally. So when the new ratio comes, so we have to find out the gaining ratio. So gaining ratio will be how we find out? Same formula, new ratio minus old ratio. Okay? So we'll find out for Sangeeta 1/2 minus 3/, how much? 3/10. So the LCM will be 10. Okay? 5 minus 3. It will be 2/10. Shanti, so 1/2 minus 5/10. LCM will be 10. 5 minus 5, that will be 0. That means Shanti will get nothing. Only the gaining share will be get by Saroj. How much? 2/10. So how much the goodwill here? 90,000. So Saroj share will be 2/10 into 90,000. So if you cut it, and 2 jam 18,000. That means what? This Saroj share will be gained by Sangeeta share will be gained by Saroj only. The NQ will be Saroj capital account debit, personal account again, to Sangeeta is retiring, Sangeeta capital account. Here Shanti will not get anything because Shanti share is became 0. So how much the share will be? 18,000. So narration will be, being the Sangeeta share of goodwill is taken by Saroj. Being the Sangeeta share of goodwill is taken by Saroj in their gaining ratio. Okay? This is the first and second question of retirement, same as admission. Okay everyone? So in the next video, we're going to solve more questions. Try at home question number 3. Okay everyone? So the next question we'll see again. Thank you very much.